Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether Mogo is regulated by financial authorities. Mogo is a digital financial company, and its regulation depends on the specific services and the country where it operates. In Canada, where the parent company, Mogo Incorporated, is based, its various business activities are subject to oversight by different regulatory bodies. For example, its subsidiary, Mogo Trade Incorporated, is a member of the Canadian Investment Regulatory Organization, or CIRO. This is the national self-regulatory organization that oversees investment dealers and trading activity in Canada's debt and equity markets. In other regions, Mogo operates under the local financial regulations. For instance, in some countries in Africa and Europe, its lending and financing activities are regulated by the relevant national authorities, such as central banks or competition authorities. It is important to note that the regulatory status can vary for each of the company's services, such as loans, payments, and investment products. This is common for financial technology companies that offer a diverse range of products. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.